Oh, poop. You just got rid of the juice. Why you do that? All your juice is gone.
Oh, go.
It's gone. Why you do that to the juice?
No.
You want coffee in there? Where's coffee? Coffee?
Bobby.
Coffee. You want some black coffee?
Mm-mm.
Okay, me neither. I don't like it. Cream of sugar?
Mm-mm.
No? What? How do you like it then? How do you like your coffee? Tell me. Josh, how do you like your coffee? Go night-night?
Mm-mm.
No? Want to go night-night with coffee?
No.
Okay, that's no good.